write the poem?
They lie around like Aztec and the Mayan gods. Describe like a
Do you want to start all over?
We can start over.
Nope. Go. Go. Just read it.
Gladly beyond.
To the patchstick slopes of.
Well, we walk all night through solitary streets.
You're alone? Dream double last night.
John digging a hole in the yard inside in the
You don't have to behave.
Drowsing like a second.
Sleep above our temperaments.
The child's fitful memory.
but no harmful.
In the glitter of the planets.
They touch us without consent.
Minutely examining every day.
I am so hip even.
You
my-
won't get a single thing done.
Know them and feel them.
Secrets invisible to me.
Go on or turn back.
You feel when you're crushing.
Melt yourself.
The wild flowers scatter.
Out of sight.
Once again.
White for privacy.
Tell yourself.
Compels me with the color of its countries.
A valley of snow.
Each other in the whiskey dark.
And her silver streams.
Or which I cannot touch.
These songs.
When.
Now baby, baby.
On your desk.
Hello to my own.
A can of Red Bull.
Let the water come.
The shimmering summer light.
That flows through my mind.